Okay, so position 0 is the topmost spot on the home page. And you can see here that Google is now doing different things. They are providing these things called featured snippets, which are just little bits of information that come from a specific website, but it usually helps answer whatever question is typed into the search bar. There is right here. You can actually get to position 0 using a PDF. That's right. You can create a PDF if you already have a PDF on your site. Of course, it needs to be searchable. It usually won't be your freebie, but if you create some PDFs with some great model. This sentence was somewhere in the PDF or on the website, and it says here, look, hundreds of online pages define what the words business strategy is, but this one with the definition above usually claims position 0. Why? Because the overwhelming majority comes across as typical dictionary-like definition.